online class. Today I am going to teach you the subject Maths. In Maths, I am going to teach you an interesting topic. Before going into the topic, let me tell you a short story. Tommy the dog saw the bones on the top of the staircase. It climbed up in a hurry to get them. The number of stairs were written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now tell me, which is the smallest number here? Yes, it is 1. And which is the biggest number here? Let us see. 2 is bigger than 1. 3 is bigger than 2. 4 is bigger than 3. 5 is bigger than 4. 6 is bigger than 5. 7 is bigger than 6. 8 is bigger than 7. 9 is bigger than 8. And 10 is bigger than 9. So, 10 is the biggest number here. Am I right, children? Yes. So, when Tommy went up, he started from the smallest number 1. Then he climbed 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and finally he climbed up the biggest numbered staircase, that is 10, and reached the bones. So we see Tommy went up from the smallest number to the biggest number. This order of numbering, when we go up from the smallest number to the biggest number, is called ascending order. Now let us see Tommy coming down after getting the bones. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So he came down from the biggest number 10 to the smallest number 1. When we go down from the biggest number to the smallest number, it is called descending order. Yes, children, in today's class, you are going to learn biggest number and smallest number along with ascending order and descending order from 1 to 50. In that story, we saw that Tommy the dog was climbing up the staircase, which means he was ascending the staircase. That is, going from the lowest step to the highest step. Also later on, he was descending down the staircase. That is, coming down from the highest step to the lowest step. So, in a similar way, we can also arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest or from the biggest to the smallest. This is called ordering numbers. So, ordering means arranging the numbers one by one. Now, there are two ways in which we can arrange the numbers. Can you tell me the two ways, children? Yes. One is from the smallest to the biggest. The other is from the biggest to the smallest. So, they are the two ways in which we can go about ordering the numbers or arranging the numbers. Now, let us see the ascending order. In ascending order, arranging numbers from the smallest to the biggest. or when we move from downstairs to upstairs. It is called ascending order. Dear children, always remember that in ascending order, the number always keep on increasing. I will give you few more examples to understand the concept. See the balls, children. There are 5 balls here. And see how they are arranged. The smallest ball is the first one and followed by the biggest ball. That is smallest to the biggest, isn't it? Yes. See the next image, children. There are 4 eggs here and these eggs are arranged in ascending order. That is from the smallest to the biggest. Now let us see with the numbers. 2, 5, 7, 8, 10. These are the numbers arranged in ascending order. How? Let's see. Is 2 less than 5? Yes. Is 5 less than 7? Yes. Is 7 less than 8? Yes. Is 8 less than 10? Yes. So, we have indeed arranged the numbers here from the smallest, which is 2, to the biggest, which is 10. Now, look at these numbers, children. 8, 24, 20 and 18. Now, can you arrange these numbers in ascending order? That is from the smallest to the biggest number. Well, it looked quite difficult, right? Yes, we have 4 different numbers and we go to arrange from the smallest to the biggest. So, we have to make so many different comparisons for doing that. Let's go with a trick for arranging the numbers, children. Yes, here is the first trick. Count the digits of the numbers. A 1-digit number is smaller than a 2-digit number. What does this mean? We know what are 1-digit numbers and we know what are 2-digit numbers. It means that 1-digit numbers will always be smaller than the 2-digit numbers. Say for an example, take any 1-digit number, say 8, and take any 2-digit number, say 15. So even without comparing these numbers, without counting, without thinking what comes after what, we can say 8 is smaller than 15. This is our first trick. Let us see what is the second trick. If the numbers have equal number of digits, well, if we see that the digits are more or less, we can easily determine which is the bigger number. But what if they have equal number of digits? Say, if 15 is compared to 28, then the number whose first digit is bigger. So, look at the first digit. In the number 15, the first digit is 1. And in the number 28, the first digit is 2. So, first digit is more in the number 28. So, 28 is the bigger number. Let's go to the third trick. If the numbers have equal number of digits, that is, the first trick does not work. And their first digits are same, that is, the second trick also does not work. Then compare the last digit or second digit. So I have numbers 18 and 11. The number of digits are 2. So my first trick will not work. And the first digits in both the numbers are 1. So my second trick also does not work. So I take the help of this. Compare the last digits, that is 8 and 1. So 8 is bigger than 1. Hence 18 is bigger than 11. This is my third trick. Note that this trick works only when we have numbers till 99, not beyond that. So we use these three tricks one after the other. Now let us arrange these numbers in ascending order using the tricks learnt just now. So we have the numbers 24, 8, 20 and 18. What was our first trick, children? The first trick was compare the number of digits in each number. So 24 has 2 digits, 20 has 2 digits, 18 has 2 digits, but 8 has only 1 digit. So a 1 digit number will always be lesser than the 2 digit numbers. 8 will be the smallest number than each of these numbers, right? Yes. So 8 will come first because I need to arrange in ascending order. That is from the smallest to the biggest. So I need to write the smallest number first, which is 8 here. So 8 comes first and let's write the other numbers as they are. Now we have already used our first trick. Now all the other numbers are 2-digit numbers. So let us go to the trick 2. It says if number of digits is same, compare the first digit. Let's compare the first digit of these numbers. It's 2, 2 and 1. So the number whose first digit is less will come before the number whose first digit is more. So we write 8 as it is. Then among 2 and 1, which is the smallest number here? Yes, 1. That is 18 will come first and followed by the numbers with 2 as their first digit. So let's write down those numbers 24 and 20. These are the numbers arranged as per the trick 2. Now what is the trick 3 says? If the first digit is same, compare the second digit. So in this case 24 and 20 have the same first digit, which is 2, right? Yes. So I need to compare the second digit, that is 4 and 0. Now between 4 and 0, which is the smaller number? Yes, 0 is smaller than 4. This means 20 is smaller than 24. Right? Yes. So 20 will come before the number 24 because we are arranging the numbers in ascending order. So this become 8, 18, 20 and 24. So we have applied all the three tricks perfectly, and this is the arrangement of numbers as per the ascending order. That is, starting from the smallest number to the biggest number. Now let us see the descending order. Descending order means arranging numbers from the biggest to the smallest, or when we move from upstairs to downstairs. It is called descending order. Dear children, always remember that in descending order, the number always keep on decreasing. Let me explain with some examples. See the apples here. There are 4 apples. They are arranged in descending order. That is, from the biggest to the smallest. See the next image, children. There are 4 trees and see how they are arranged. The bigger tree is the first one and followed by the smallest tree. That is biggest to the smallest. Let us see with the numbers. 10, 8, 6, 5, 3. In this set, is 10 bigger than 8? Yes. Is 8 bigger than 6? Yes. Is 6 bigger than 5? Yes. Is 5 bigger than 3? Yes. So, these are the numbers arranged from the biggest to the smallest. That is descending. The numbers are going down. Now, look at these numbers, children. 25, 29, 2 and 49. Now, can you arrange these numbers in descending order? Well, remember, descending D means down. That is from the biggest to the smallest. So, we need to find the biggest number, then the number smaller than that, and continuing till the smallest number. Now, let's apply the tricks that we have learnt. Trick 1. Compare the number of digits in each number. So, 25 has 2 digits, 29 has 2 digits, 2 has 1 digit, 49 has 2 digits. So, 2-digit numbers are bigger than 1-digit number. So, they will come before 1-digit number in descending order. Let's write it down. So, I have 25, 29, 49 and 2. 2 is the only 1-digit number. So, 2 came at the end. So, this is what we have, right? Yes, children. 2 at the end and the other numbers remain as it is. After that, we need to apply the second trick, which is if number of digits are same, which is the case here, then compare the first digit. So, the first digits are 2, 2 and 4. So, we have 2 and 4 as the first digit. Now tell me, children, which is bigger among these? 4 is the bigger number. the number starting with 4 will come at first. So 49 will come first. After 4, what do we have, children? Yes, we have 2. So the numbers starting with 2 are 2 in numbers. So let's write it down, those numbers, which are 25 and 29. We also applied the second trick. Now let us apply the third trick, which is if the first digit is same, compare the second digit. So we see in 25 and 29, the first digits are 2, which are the same. So now I need to compare the last digit, that means second digit, which is 5 in 25 and 9 in 29. So 9 is bigger than 5, which means 29 is bigger than 25. So let's write it down. 49, 29, 25 and 2. So these are the numbers arranged as per the descending order. So this is how, using those 3 tricks, you can arrange any given numbers in ascending or descending orders. Now let us do the book exercise. Take your Max Oxford workbook. Take page number 12. Worksheet 8. Comparing numbers up to 50. Roman number 1. Color the biggest number red and the smallest number blue. Dear children, now you are going to find out the biggest number and the smallest number using the tricks which we have learnt. And color the biggest number red and the smallest number blue. Look at these numbers: 23, 33, 32. Let us use the tricks. Trick number 1. Compare the number of digits in each number. Compare the number of digits in each number. 23 has 2 digits, 33 has 2 digits and 32 has 2 digits. Trick number 2. If the digits are same, then compare the first digits. The first digits are 2, 3, 3. So, the number whose first digit is less will come before the number whose first digit is more. So, in this set, 2 is smaller than 3, which means 23 is the smallest number in this set. So, color the number 23 in blue. Now, use trick 3. If the first digits is same, then compare the second digit. So, in this set, 33 and 32, we have the same first digit, which is 3. So, I need to compare the second digit, that is 3 and 2. Now tell me children, which is the bigger number here? Yes, 3 is bigger than 2, which means 33 is bigger than 32. So, color the number 33 in red. Look at these numbers: 38, 25, 47. Let us use the tricks. Trick number 1. Compare the number of digits. 38 has 2 digits, 25 has 2 digits, and 47 has 2 digits. Trick number 2. If the digits are same, then compare the first digit. The first digits are 3, 2, 4. So the number whose first digit is less will come before the number whose first digit is more. So in this set, 2 is the smallest number, which means 25 is the smallest number in this set. So color the number 25 in blue. In this set, 4 is the biggest number. That is, 47 is the biggest number here. So color the number 47 in red. In this set, no need to apply the trick 3 because in this set, first digits are not same. They are different to find out the smallest number and biggest number. Look at the next sum. 40, 43, 34. Let us use the tricks. Trick number 1. Compare the number of digits. 40 has 2 digit numbers. 43 has 2 digits number. And 34 has 2 digits number. Trick 2. If the digits are same, then compare the first digits. The first digits are 4, 4, 3. So the number whose first digit is less will come before the number whose first digit is more. In this set, 3 is the smallest number, which means 34 is the smallest number in this set. So color the number 34 in blue. Now use trick 3. If the first digit is same, then compare the second digit. So in this set, 40 and 43, we have the same first digit, which is 4. So I need to compare the second digit, that is 0 and 3. Now tell me, which is the bigger number here? Yes, 3 is bigger than 0, which means 43 is bigger than 40. So color the number 43 in red. Next, Roman number 2. Rewrite from smallest to biggest, which means you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. That means smaller number to the biggest number. Okay? Yes. Look at these numbers. 35, 23, 48. Let us use the tricks. Trick number 1. Compare the number of digits. 35 has 2 digits, 23 has 2 digits, and 48 has 2 digits. Trick number 2. If the digits are same, then compare the first digit. The first digits are 3, 2, 4. So the number whose first digit is less will come first before the number whose first digit is more. So in this set, 2 is the smallest number, which means 23 is the smallest number in this set. So 23 will come first. And then after 2, what number do we have, children? We have 3, which means 35. After 3, what number do we have, children? We have 4, which means 48. 48 is the biggest number in this set. So let's write it down. 23, 35, 48. In this set, no need to apply trick 3 because first digits are not same here. Look at the next numbers. 43, 37, 47. Let us use the tricks. Trick number 1. Compare the number of digits. 43 has 2 digits, 37 has 2 digits and 47 has 2 digits. Trick number 2. If the digits are same, then compare the first digits. The first digits are 4, 3, 4. So the number whose first digit is less will come before the number whose first digit is more. In this set, 3 is the smallest number, which means 37 is the smallest number in this set. So 37 will come first. Now use trick 3. If the first digits are same, then compare the second digit. In this set, 43 and 47, we have the same first digit, which is 4. So, I need to compare the second digit, that is 3 and 7. Now tell me, which is bigger number here? Yes, 7 is bigger than 3, which means 47 is bigger than 43. So, let's write it down. 37, 43, 47. Roman number 3. Rewrite from biggest to smallest, which means you have to write the numbers in descending order. Look at these numbers. 45, 21, 24. Let us use the tricks. Trick number 1. Compare the number of digits. 45 has 2 digits, 21 has 2 digits and 24 has 2 digits. Trick number 2. If the digits are same, then compare the first digits. The first digits are 4, 2, 2. So, the number whose first digit is more will come before the number whose first digit is less. In this set, 4 is the biggest number, which means 45 is the biggest number in this set. So, 45 will come first. Now, use trick 3. If the first digits are same, then compare the second digits. So, in this set, 21 and 24, we have the same first digit, which is 2. So, I need to compare the second digit, that is 1 and 4. Now, tell me children, which is bigger number here? Yes, 4 is bigger than 1, which means 24 is bigger than 21. So, let's write it down. 45, 24 and 21. Look at the next sum. 36, 49, 25. Let us use the tricks. Trick number 1. Compare the number of digits. 36 has 2 digits. 49 has 2 digits. And 25 has 2 digits. Trick number 2. If the digits are same, then compare the first digits. The first digits are 3, 4, 2. So, the number whose first digit is more will come before the number whose first digit is less. In this set, 4 is the biggest number, which means 49 is the biggest number in this set. So, 49 will come first. Then after 4, which is the biggest number here, children? Yes, 3. So, 3 is bigger than 2, which means 36 is bigger than 25. So, 25 is the smallest number in this set. So, let's write it down. 49, 36, 25. In this set, no need to apply trick 3 because first digits are not same here. Let us go for recapitulation. Dear children, today I have taught you how to find out the smallest number and the biggest number. And I have taught you how to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order, which means smallest number to the biggest number and biggest number to the smallest number using the 3 tricks. And we have completed book exercises too. குழந்தைங்களா, மிஸ் இன்னைக்கு நான் உங்களுக்கு என்ன சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன்? ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ல எப்படி சின்ன நம்பரை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது, எப்படி பெரிய நம்பரை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுன்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் நம்பரை அது எப்படி சின்ன நம்பர்ல இருந்து பெரிய நம்பருக்கு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும், பெரிய நம்பர்ல இருந்து எப்படி சின்ன நம்பருக்கு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். அதாவது அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர், டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர். அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர்னா சின்ன நம்பர்ல இருந்து பெரிய நம்பருக்கு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர் மீன்ஸ் பெரிய நம்பர்ல இருந்து சின்ன நம்பருக்கு அரேஞ்ச் பண்றது. ஓகேவா? அதுக்கு ஒரு 3 ட்ரிக்ஸ் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்ன்றதுக்கு. ஸோ அண்ட் தென் வி ஹவ் கம்ப்ளீட்டட் புக் எக்ஸசைஸ். ஒரு புக் எக்ஸசைஸும் நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணோம் யூசிங் த ட்ரிக்ஸ். அந்த ட்ரிக்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர், டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர், ஃபைண்ட் த ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பர், பிக்கஸ்ட் நம்பர் நம்ம பண்ணோம். உங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நம்புகிறேன். ஐ ஹோப் யூ ஹவ் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட். தேங்க்யூ சில்ட்ரன்.